Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another video. Today we are making this delicious, cheesy, honey butter jalapeno cornbread. Pairs very well with chili or any of your dinner ideas. But first, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, give me a big thumbs up, and hit that notification bell. Alright guys, let's get started. For our ingredients, we are going to need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of cornmeal. You'll also need 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 egg. You're going to need 4 tablespoons of sugar, about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of oil. Next, you'll need about 1/2 cup of honey. We'll need 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, some kernels of corn, and 1 jalapeno, and also 1 cup of milk. Alright, and also a baking pan. You can use a cast iron. I'm using my trusty duster. And then I have some jalapenos that I've sliced for our garnish. Alright, let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to baste our baking pan. I'm using an 8x8. This is my trusty dusty cornbread pan. You can use a cast iron skillet or whatever you like, but you know guys, when you have an old pan that you've been using for years, it's never done me wrong. So that's what I'm using. So we're just going to baste this up with margarine. You can use butter if you like, but I prefer margarine. So we're going to go ahead and baste up the whole pan, as you see. And then I'm just going to follow it up with some cooking spray and spray it all around with the this just helps the cornbread to come out easily, as you will see when we're done. Alright, go ahead and set to the side, and now we're ready to go ahead and assemble our ingredients. So we're going to start with our 1 cup of cornmeal, then add our 1 cup of flour. Next, we're adding our 4 tablespoons of sugar. Now we'll add our 4 teaspoons of baking powder, not soda, baking powder. Next, I'm going to add that 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. You could add a little bit more if you like. Go ahead and stir all of your dry ingredients up until they're nice and smooth. Next, we're going to start with our wet ingredients. 1 cup of milk, our egg, the 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and now give that a good stir. Make sure it is completely mixed. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my 1/2 cup of honey. And I'm eyeballing this. It might not even be a 1/2 cup. It's like, I don't even think that. I think that was 1/4. Then go ahead and add some of the 1/2 of the cheese, 1/2 cup of cheese, and give that a good stir. We're just going to do it 1/2 and 1/2. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my jalapenos, chopped up, and then I'm going to add the kernels of corn. Go ahead and give that a nice good mix. Once I've given it a good mix, I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the cheese. Go ahead and give that a good stir, making sure that it's completely mixed. And now we are ready to go ahead and add this to our baking pan. Once you have completely added it to the baking pan, you want to go ahead and kind of sift it around to make sure that all the ingredients are distributed evenly. Now I'm adding my slices of jalapeno, just making a little design on my cornbread. Place it in an oven, a 425-degree oven, for 25 to 30 minutes. Don't forget to watch it. And this is what we have come out with. Isn't it beautiful? Now we're going to make our honey butter sauce. So I'm going to go ahead and use a 1/2 stick of butter. I'm going to melt this in the microwave. While the butter is melting, we're going to go ahead and flip our cornbread. Mine is hot, guys. Please let your cornbread cool, but we was hungry, so yeah, it's piping hot. And when it cools, it sets a little bit better. So I had to use a spatula to flip it back over because I didn't want it to just break apart on me. So I'm going to flip it back over so we can put on our honey butter sauce. See, it was so hot in the process, I lost a jalapeno, but there it is. I'll just pop that right back on there. There you go, right there. No harm, no foul, but this is piping hot. And you don't want to really cut into it until it cools off. But once again, we're hungry, so we're about to eat. So I'm about to cut into it after I do my honey butter sauce. Okay, there's our melted butter. And now I'm going to go ahead and just stir in maybe 1/3 of a cup of the honey. And I'm sorry you can't see it, but I'm actually squeezing honey in there. There it is. Okay, we're going to go ahead and stir that up. Then you're going to go ahead and grab a silicone brush or any type of brush that you have. And we're going to just brush the mixture all over our cornbread. There's the mixture. I'm stirring it up with a spoon. And now I'm just going to glaze it all over the cornbread. Oh my goodness. This smells so good, guys. Oh yeah. Go ahead and get all of it on there. I tried to use most of it. So you're going to go ahead, slather it on. Don't be shy. Slather it all on that cornbread. Don't miss a spot. There goes another jalapeno. I found it underneath the plate, so we popped her back on. All right. And guys, the jalapeno is spicy. So if you don't want it too spicy, then I would omit the jalapeno on top, but it's good. It adds a crunch and it adds some spice. All right, and once you do this, you do want your bread to cool from that, maybe about 5 to 10 minutes. But once again, I cut directly into it because I think I already said this, we were ready to eat. All right, I'm about to slice dead into my cornbread, and we are getting ready to eat, and I will show you the final product in 2 seconds. And ooh, this is hot. That's what you get for being greedy. Okay, guys, there it is. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for you and give me a big thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. I'm going to pair this with a chili that I made. You can see that recipe on my page as well. Hope to see you guys in past, present, and future videos. Love you guys. Bye.